Nexo Crypto Account App. The pros, the cons. The Nexo Crypto Account app is designed for users who want to earn interest, borrow, and manage crypto all in one place. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a wallet. The surprising truth is that Nexo acts like a crypto bank with high yield opportunities. Pros include earning daily interest on over 20 supported cryptocurrencies and stablecoins with compounding options. Users can borrow cash against their crypto at competitive rates without selling assets. Nexo offers a secure ecosystem with insurance on custodial assets, two-factor authentication, and cold storage. The interface is clean, making it easy to manage deposits, withdrawals, and interest tracking. Cons include custodial control, meaning users don't hold private keys. Interest rates can fluctuate depending on market conditions, and borrowing features require KYC verification. Some advanced traders may find the product less flexible than traditional exchanges. In conclusion, the Nexo Crypto Account app is perfect for users looking to earn interest or excess cash without liquidating crypto. Its mix of convenience, security, and daily rewards makes it ideal for both beginner and intermediate crypto users.